When you open Amazon, you feel like you are comparing prices. But the truth is, the price is comparing you. Amazon isn't ripping you off, it's doing something much smarter. Sometimes the price is a little lower, sometimes a little higher, and most of the time, you don't even notice. In this video, we'll understand how Amazon quietly makes you spend more money, and you happily pay. Amazon didn't start as a giant, it was just an online bookstore. That's it. But Jeff Bezos understood one thing early. You don't have to be the cheapest, you have to be the smartest. More customers came, more data was collected, and more data means more control. That's where the real pricing game begins. Amazon uses something called dynamic pricing. In simple words, who you are, when you visit, how many times you viewed a product, everything matters. Same product, two people, two different prices. Sometimes prices change at night, sometimes during sales. You feel urgency, and you click Buy Now. Amazon never directly says, this is expensive. It says, look, this is the cheapest option. And you think, I made a smart decision. But you only saw what Amazon wanted you to see. Now look at the sellers. If a seller doesn't keep prices low, Amazon pushes their product down. Less visibility, less sales. So sellers are forced to lower prices, and Amazon says, see, we're the cheapest. Here's the real twist. Amazon doesn't just control prices, it controls expectations. A thought gets fixed in your mind. Amazon equals cheap. So you don't even check other websites. And when there's no comparison, price control becomes automatic. Amazon wins without shouting, without forcing. Amazon isn't evil, Amazon is smart. The real problem isn't that Amazon controls prices. The problem is, we don't notice it. Next time you press Buy Now, pause for 1 second and ask yourself, am I controlling the price, or is the price controlling me? If you enjoy simple finance stories like this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below, which company should we break down next?